What up, everybody? This is going to be the 15-inch conversion kit for basically 99 all the way to the newest Chevys and Sierras. Calipers, discs, pads, 1320 bracket, all the part numbers, and yep, that's all you need. So basically the first few things you got to do: take the two bolts off the caliper. I'm not sure what size they were. And then it's two bolts off what holds the caliper. These are both 18s. Once you take the discs, the calipers off, you have to take the differential cover off, let it leak the oil. And with the 5/16 wrench, remove this little bolt on the carrier. Take out the other thing. I don't know what it's called, so fuck it. And then you're gonna pull out the C-clips so you can take out the axles to remove this. Well, in this video, I'll probably not know the name to a lot of stuff, but I kind of know what it does. So push the axles in. You can pull the C-clips out, and then you can pull the axle out. It is kind of a pain in the butt to pull the axles out at first. It was a little hard, but then they just slide out. Now you can pull all this shit off. After you get the axles pulled out, just 4 bolts, and you can pull out the e-brake, and then you just got to disconnect them. Just somewhere right around here. Now you're ready pretty much to mount up the new brackets. Throw back in put the axles back in, put the C-clip on, put the disc, then the calipers, and basically it just goes back together the same way. Nothing too bad. Now I got to finish up this side. Brackets, axle, C-clip, the disc, calipers, just goes back in order. And that looks like a finished product right there. This isn't going to be the best how to do video, but it's kind of basic. Just take off, put on. Basically done. I still got to put the fluid back into the diff, and bleed the brakes, and that's about it. If you like it, give it a like, drop a comment, subscribe. Hopefully with some practice, maybe we'll get some better videos out. But yeah, that's about it.